The TrueClot Tourniquet Application Trainer is a wearable device designed to provide realistic and effective training in tourniquet application, essential for proper hemorrhage control. This trainer allows for the full application of a tourniquet, simulating real-life bleeding scenarios to enhance the preparation of medical personnel and first responders. The trainer is designed to be worn on the left arm, allowing trainees to practice tourniquet application on a live participant, which enhances realism and provides valuable hands-on experience. Equipped with a bleeding wound, featuring a simulated vessel, the device enables the flow of training blood. When a tourniquet is correctly applied, the bleeding stops, providing immediate feedback on the effectiveness of the application. Made from ballistic nylon, the trainer is robust and designed for repeated use. It's easy to clean and air dry, ensuring longevity and hygiene. The padded arm cuff reduces pinching and discomfort, allowing for extended training sessions without causing pain to the wearer. The device supports the application of a tourniquet in different positions in relation to the wound, accommodating various training protocols. The trainer is available in dark or light flesh tones to accommodate diverse training requirements. It's latex-free, ensuring safety for individuals with latex sensitivities. Incorporating this trainer into your emergency response training programs offers a realistic and practical approach to mastering tourniquet application, enhancing the confidence and competence of those tasked with emergency medical care.